Hello, we are 1 year later and we're going to do another Monster Jam collection, but this time we're going to stick with just the trucks that size because there are so many. So here to tell you all of them.
Hello, here's my next Monster Jam collection. So we start off with Grinder. He changes colors in the water. He turns red and yellow. The Grinder, it doesn't. He's just red. And here's King Crunch. Here's King Crunch. 30th anniversary Gravedigger. He is new. And here is Gravedigger the Legend. Is that right? And here's Gravedigger. Here's Taz. Here's Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Monster Mutt Rottweiler, Monster Mutt and Brown. And here's Brutus. And what? I mean Spike. And here's another Spike. His wheels come off. And his wheels come off so he can fit in the trailer. Here's Brutus. Here's Jurassic Attack. And here's Jurassic Attack. Here's Ninja Turtles, Ninja Turtles, Ninja Turtles. Here is Donkey Kong. Here is Blue Avenger. Here is Gunslinger. Here's Mohawk Warrior. He's new. And here's Backwards Bob. Here's Nitro Circus. Here's Maximum Instruction. The new Maximum Instruction. Here's Attila Loco. Here's Bulldozer. What?
Shark Wreck.
Shark Wreck. Predator. Prowler. Mark McDonald and Iron Man. Superman. Spider-Man. Batman and his wheels also come off so he can fit in the trailer. And here's Dirty Tire Batman. Here's Arachnophobia. Who's this? Derailed. Pillage Idiot. Green Avenger. And here's Blacksmith. And Limitless Dangerous. Captain's Curse. Medusa. Hot Wheels. And here is Instigator. Blue Thunder. Bad Habit. Who's this?
Utter Madness.
And who's this? Backdraft. Driving School.
Covert
Crusher. Dragon's Breath. Ward Wizard. And Riveted. Here is Cyborg. Bone Shaker. Here is Airborne Ranger. And here's El Matador. Time Flies. Raging Steel. Destroyer. Donut Patrol. Scarlet Bandit. Air Force Afterburner. Outlaw. Bounty Hunter. Barbarian. Tough Enough. Rap Attack. Here's a new one, Black Stallion. He is a good one. Here is Shocker, and here's Screaming Demon. Here's Maniac. And Mechanical Mischief. High Roller. Tropical Thunder. And here is Stonecrusher, World Finals, Cutting Corners, and Wrecking Crew, and Thrasher, and Pure Adrenaline, John Zimmer and Shock Therapy, Bad News Travels Fast, Money Tires, and here is Aftershock, Felon, Sudden Impact, Eliminator, Survivor, Obsession, and the new one, and he is Heartbreaker. This was done. I hope you like it. Goodbye, everybody.